Hello everyone, welcome to DevOps Era. So in previous demo we have seen how to create EC2 instances in AWS cloud. In this demo we will see how to set up a Jenkins in EC2 instance. So if you are not sure how to create EC2 instances, please watch my previous demo. I have shared the link in the description. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. Here this is, as you can see on the screen, so this is the Jenkins instance that we will be using to set up Jenkins. All right, I have documented the steps. Okay, so there are various commands involved, so I have documented each step here. So let's get step by step. Okay, let's get started. All right, and first step is connecting to EC2 instance. So I need to make sure that this instance is up and running, right? And then I can hit on connect. So here is the command to connect. I have my bash shell open, so let me quickly connect to it. Okay, it is asking if I want to continue connecting. I say yes. Awesome. We are connected to EC2 instance. So this is a brand new instance. So we would like to set up the host name. So that is what our second step is. We will set host name as Jenkins. Okay. Once the host name is set up, so as this is a new instance, we will be performing update. Okay. So this is the new Ubuntu instance. So let's perform update before we start installation of Java. Okay. So it will take couple of minutes. Let's wait. Okay, done. Awesome. The next step is installing Java. So we have the command here to install Java. So basic standard command sudo apt install default JDK, and it will install Java version 11. So installation of a Java can take some time because it involves installing certain libraries, right? Meanwhile, we can skim through the further steps. Okay, so the next step would be installation of Maven. Once a Maven is installed, then we will be doing the Jenkins installation. So there is a standard key that we need to add to our Ubuntu system, right? And then we append that key. Once that is done, then finally we will be performing the update on Ubuntu package and then installing the Jenkins. Once that is done, then our last step is accessing the Jenkins web browser in web browser. Okay. All right. Awesome. So Java installation is complete. Let's verify which version of Java we got. Okay. It should be JDK 11. Okay. Java version. Yep. It is version 11.0.17. Awesome. Let's install Maven. Okay, as you know, like Jenkins is a DevOps CI/CD automation tool, which is written in Java programming language, right? And it helps us to carry out continuous integration, delivery, and continuous deployment. Okay, so here we have updated the Maven. So let me quickly check the Maven version. Okay, great. So Maven. Now comes the Jenkins installation part, right? So let's add the key to the system. So below is the command. So this command you can just Google it, but for the purpose of this demo and so that it will be easy for you. So I have kept all the commands in one page. So you just have to copy and paste it here. So okay, and now I will be appending the Debian. So let's see if we are able to append this successfully. Okay, so here it is. So we have successfully uh, downloaded the key to the Ubuntu system, right? Now we will perform the update on the Ubuntu system. So once again, this is sudo apt update. Great. And once the update is successful, then we will be installing the Java. Okay. Okay, I see the update is success. Let's install Jenkins. So here I'm installing Jenkins. You can see all the logs here, right? So it is taking all. So see here, this is the key which we had added, right, in the previous step. So that's what it is using. So it is also giving you the operation details, like it will be using like 94 MB of uh, archives, right? So that much disk space will be utilized, but we do have 8 gigs, so it's no need to worry about the space. Okay, once this is Jenkins installation is completed, then we will be accessing the Jenkins in the web browser, right? So we will go to AWS console, okay, and then here we can see, here we have the DNS name here for the Jenkins, right? Sorry. Okay, so let's wait for a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, I have copied this. So once that is completed, we can mm, directly go to the browser and start accessing Jenkins, right? Oh, wow, it is completed. So Jenkins installation is successfully completed, and we'll go to this URL. Remember, we had open port 8080, so 8080 is a default port for Jenkins. All right, so let me try accessing this. Okay, awesome, guys. So here we are at login page. So here it is asking me to authenticate. Okay, here it is telling me that they have stored the initial admin password in this location, um, in our Ubuntu server, right? So I will be copying that. So I have given the step here, right, to copy the initial password. So this is the command. Okay, so it will show me the password. Okay, great. Awesome. So this is our password. Okay. So I will be copying it. Be careful in copying this. Okay. As this is the first time setup, we don't want any errors. So hit on continue. So now this will unlock the Jenkins instance, right? And it is asking to customize. So it is always recommended that we install the suggested plugins. So it will take another minute or so to install all the basic plugins uh, in our Jenkins instance, right? So once this installation is completed, then we will be getting a page where we need to give the username, password, email, and so basic details, and then we should be seeing our Jenkins UI pretty soon. All right, it's doing great. Okay, I see it is almost done. Okay, okay, here you go. So you need to enter your admin username. We can give some password, any random password. Then the full name, you can give your name here, and then email address. You can give any random email address. Let's suppose admin @ so it need not be like the valid email address. You can give anything here. So save and continue. And here it is saving instance, giving me this will be your Jenkins URL. Okay, so let's save and finish. Awesome, our Jenkins is ready and we can start using it. So just click on start using it. Awesome, guys. So here we are. This is our Jenkins dashboard. So here we can start creating job and build up our Jenkins pipeline. Okay. So so we have covered the agenda for this demo. and we have created the EC2 instances, we have configured Jenkins. So we will quickly skim through the steps that were involved. So firstly, we had set up the host name, then performed update, installed Java, Maven, and Jenkins, and finally we access it through the browser. So that was it for this demo. In the next demo, we will be seeing how to configure the Tomcat in another EC2 instance. Okay. All right, guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment. I would be more than happy to help. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.